If you are by any chance watching this video, you may be wondering why I am convinced that nobody will watch it. It's because it's my first YouTube video, and nobody cares about nobody's first YouTube video. And that's also exactly why I found the courage to break the ice. Hi everyone, my name is Valentina. Welcome to my new channel, Valentina's Collection. I am a crocheter and a knitter, so this is a new crochet channel, in case you needed a new one. I am Italian, maybe you have recognized my accent. I'm actually from Rome, but I have been living in Ireland, in Cork, for 18 years now. It was indeed a huge leap to move from a metropolis to a much smaller city, but I have been enjoying, I must say, the more relaxed lifestyle. I'm also the single mom of a splendid teenager boy named Sean. He's 15, nearly. His birthday is in March. And I have two furry children as well, my dog Sunny and my cat Dot. I'm sure you will meet them sooner or later. In particular, Sunny. He's an attention seeker and he loves bombing my video conferences. So he will probably love to bomb my videos as well, should I dare to record from the same room where he is. I have a full-time desk job, but when I get older, I would really like for my passion to become my business. But I have to wait. This is more of a long-term plan than a reality. As you can imagine, I need some financial security, at least until Sean is out of school. But I'm starting now to develop this. I think it's the right time for me to do so. The reason for creating this YouTube channel is to share this journey with all of you, with all its milestones and challenges as well. The idea is to inspire at least one of you to come out of your cocoon and spread your wings and fly with me. Being a single mom with a full-time job will make it harder than it already is. But if you have to dream, dream big. I count on all of you to be my accountability buddies in this journey, to share with me your experiences and your advice as well. At the moment, I am knitting a scarf with pockets, a project that I started during the week. I am recording on a Sunday. I should be able to finish it up soon and show you the product in the next video. For now, my plan is to use vlog and crochet along as content creation forms. I think they are the most suitable for me, at least for now, considering the time available and my own skill level. I don't have much time, as you can imagine, and I know nothing about recording and editing. And therefore, I will have to go with the two forms that do not require too much editing. Please be patient if you think that my videos are not very professional. I will get better with time, I promise. To be ready for this first video, I watched many experts on YouTube and I found inspiration. The one that inspired me the most to find the courage to break the ice is a video from Ali Abdaal on how to start a YouTube channel. You will find the link in the description. I am sure that you will find it very useful too, and it will give you a good boost when it comes to breaking the ice. I started following Ali a few years ago, mainly in relation to his productivity series. He only had a few 100,000 subscribers at the time. Now he has more than 6 million. I think that I needed to watch his video because it helped me to get over my need for perfection. His video is very pragmatic and realistic, and I'm pretty sure he will help you too if you still haven't found the courage to make the first step. I will leave you at this. I don't want to bore you too much. If you think that I didn't do a too bad of a job and you want to help me to grow my channel, please hit the like button and subscribe. so you won't miss the next videos. And if you have advice, please share in the comments. Bye bye now. See you soon. Ciao.